Good morning, everyone. Trust you had a wonderful night rest. I want us to look at Euro New Zealand, and on Euro New Zealand, we've been bearish since the beginning of the year, and the structures, present structures since March, has been depicting that a reversal structure is looming. And why have I said that? You can see as price got to 1.56 area, we've been having rejection at that particular point in time, and a higher low was found here, though we had a lower low here, but that 1.56 level still rejected that level, giving us a scenario where buyers are actually trying to push price up, and a signal could come at the breakout of this trend line, break out of the structure, and then a retest into that area before price goes up to to the upside. So that being said, we cannot neglect the fact that we are still bearish on the Euro New Zealand, and whatever happens here will determine what's going to happen the next couple of days. Now, a key level has been identified at 1.6 area, which I will want to label a level at some 1.6 thousand area. Let me place that on the at the center. I think it is at the center. Let me place it on the right hand side so that we can see it. Let's give it 320, 310, so that we can see it here. So we are right at the key level. Yesterday was very bullish for the euro as we had a bullish engulfing candle that rose out of that 1.57 area, hereby breaking out that trend line that we've identified here. However, we can't tell if this breakout is actually a true breakout or a false breakout. So we need to scale down to a much lower time frame, which is I am going down to the 4 hours time frame. And on the 4 hours time frame, what I see here is uh, a bearish momentum that is happening, because if you look at what happened here, price came down from that level, rejected that trend line again, and then there was a lower low, and went back into that level. Though we didn't have a lower low, we had a high low before that breakout happened. And this breakout is what I'm saying, that is it truly a true breakout or a false breakout. And remember I said that a breakout of this trend line is going to incite a bullish momentum, incite a bullish momentum in the nearest future. But this breakout is yet to be confirmed to be a true breakout. So we should also take into cognizance this sharp rejection of this level, which gives us a clue into the buying opportunity at this area. So let's give this a green color as this our buy. Let me allow me to make it lighter so that we don't have something to tick on the screen. So we have a buy zone here, which which must be taken into consideration. So moving on to a much lower time frame, we move on to the 1 hour time frame so that we can actually see what is really happening in the market at this point. So you can see that price is still oscillating within that key level, and despite this impulse leg, I'm of the opinion that we might be having a reversal structure at this area, like in the form of a double top, after which price might actually do a breakdown of neckline into this demand zone, or probably somewhere close before price move to the upside. With this in mind, I intend taking a sell position here, with the intention of of a take profit at below, at close to the demand zone. And this is simply because we are still bearish on this one. And I don't think a bullish momentum will just begin just like that without doing some shake off, like forming a reversal pattern to 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 the downside before moving up. So with this in mind, I have placed two pending orders at this point in time. This point, that is 1.598 and 1.59925. And why have I done that? I looked at what was happening on the 15 minutes time frame, and what I saw here is more of a consolidation phase happening here, as we can see. Give me a moment, let me just let us have a look at what is happening. We have a consolidation phase around this area. We have a consolidation phase around this area. Even though we had a breakout of that consolidation phase, I'm still of the opinion that this is still going to be somewhat a false one, because of the fact that we are in a long term bearish momentum. And the only thing that's going to negate this bearish bias on this trade is that if price breaks above this area, that's 1.60500, and if price breaks above 1.60500, then I can actually confirm that we are no longer bearish on this one, as a break above of that level, a rejection of that level, or rejection of this level could send price to the upside. So in the meantime, I want to see a breakdown of this trend line, which is around here, to enter this trade, which is around here, a breakdown of this trend line, and which is also below the key level to enter this trade. Let me label this with entry zone, which let's give this a 14. Entry zone, we give it a green. So I'll label this entry zone. So I'm looking forward to probably a breakdown of this trend line, a retest of this trend line to the downside. And where is our take profit target? If I spool out my position size, what's it going to look like? This is what I have here. So I'm looking at a take profit target at 1.585, which is also in alignment with a key structure here at 1.58, 500, 600 area, which is around 140 pips thereabout. So let's see how price reacts and by play out. I'll pause the video here and I shall give you an update as time goes by. Thank you and do have a wonderful day.